Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing one newly VP condo at Central Park Damansara, which is at Damansara, Perdana. This condo is the Terra. Let's go.
Just to talk too loud, saying things you forgot somehow, but I don't mind, I'm just not alone.
So we are now at the whole township of Central Park Damansara. So this is the one who just newly VP 1 month ago. This is the Clover. And then this one is the one we will be unboxing today, which is the Terra. So this is a whole township, brand new township, developed by ex-sim developer. As you guys can see, this is the main entrance of the Clover. Very grand and luxury. Come with a bit of western feel. Yeah. So you guys can see, actually this is the retail area of the Clover. So actually it's a very detailed thing. You guys can see the architecture and the design will be a bit of curvy design. So can tell that this developer actually spent a lot on designing the whole facade design. This is the mountain at the back. This is a reserve forest. Very pretty and greenery view. Wow! So pretty! Oh. No. 这里是 PJ Damansara. Wow. So this is the reserve forest, and then this we have the waterfall at here. Very pretty. And then this area will be the alfresco retail park. So in the end, when they VP, we have a lot of retails here downstairs. So in the future, a lot of the residents here can have coffee and have some croissant, big breakfast around this area and watching the greenery view. Now going at the lobby. So this is the lobby where, for example, the residents, when they book a Grab, and then the Grab will pick up will be at here. So at least you have a comfortable space to wait for your pickup driver. Once we come out from the lift lobby, at the same floor, this is the chill music lounge. Very pretty. So this is the KTV karaoke room. So if you guys got any event, for example Christmas, actually you can rent this place and then to host an event here. So this is the kids room, kids playroom. Ta-da! So you guys can see, later I will share the artist impression to compare with the actual look here. So this is the swimming pool area. Look at this. Imagine your house swimming pool is facing the full mountain like this. And then you can hear the sound of the waterfall at the back. Now we are at the swimming pool. Look at this. Very pretty. So the swimming pool is actually from here all the way facing the mountain, all the way until here. So you guys can see this one. The waterfall is at the back. Can you guys hear the sound? Very peaceful area. Okay, so at the same floor we have entertainment room. So this is also one of the space that you can host your event. So you can play This one, soccer game. Got darts. This one is the hockey. And also got this snooker table. So there is a small pantry area to host and have fun with your guests at this area. So now we are heading to the other facility, which is gym room. So it's just right beside the entertainment room. So here you go, let's check it out. So this is the gym. Very nice. So you have locker, the gym, equipment. Very nice. Imagine you are having exercise and workout here, and then you are facing this swimming pool, and then together with the waterfall view. Very nice. So from the view, you can see here also come with the curved design. So we can tell that this developer is actually spend a lot of money on the architecture and the design. So you guys can see from the same floor of the facility, this one will be the playground. Let me show you. This will be the playground. And then this will be the basketball court. But then this one will be the half-size basketball court. So this part of facility will be facing the city, which is the township area, and then the swimming pool will be from there all the way to the mountain. So I think that's all for the video today. So this project is called Terra, of course, because it's Axiom's project. So obviously they already fully sold maybe 4 years ago. So if you guys are interested in this project, we actually have new launching beside this land, which is the Eldens. Or if you are interested in buying sub-sales unit of the Terra or the Clover, you can drop me down a PM below. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye!